Hi everyone, here we've got Redmi Note 10 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset network settings on this device. So firstly, let's enter the actual general settings, and here we have to tap on connection and sharing. Now let's scroll down a little, and as you can see here, we've got the option we are looking for, so let's tap on it. And here we've got the info that your device will reset all network settings, including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So simply tap on reset settings. If you've got a pattern or a pin, then enter it to confirm the whole step, and your device will ask you again if you really want to do it, because you cannot undo this action and it might take several seconds. So simply tap on OK if you're ready, and let's wait because we should see the info. As you can see, we've got the information that the network settings have been reset successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to reset network settings in your Redmi Note 10 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.